Hello, it's Shelley. Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you're all having a good day. It's raining now. We'll be sharing some songs with you on this banjo today. Little bluegrass favorites, remembering those great hits. In a few months, or pretty soon, we'll be welcoming in our great state of Texas the Winter Texans, coming from the north, the east, the west. So share some music that reminds you of home. Here we go. Bluegrass favorite. One day I am happy, the next day I am blue. Now I'm so lonely, I don't know what to do. But he's gone, he's all and gone. Down here I'm crying 'cause he's gone. Who said I was dying 'cause he's gone, he's all and gone. Enough to get a gal who's not wearing blue. Yeah, he's gone, he's all that gone. Oh, down here I'm crying 'cause he's gone. He said I was dying 'cause he's gone, he's all that gone. Here's another song that I've been working on. It's a beautiful bluegrass traditional song. It may